Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about two companies which are a great opportunity because of volatility what happened in the market for last a month or so. Because of this, some good stocks with a good fundamentals, very strong business have got some correction in the market, and that's the reason they are right now present as good opportunity for a investment in a short period of time. So this is part of swing trading what we discuss on this channel. So first company what we're going to discuss is Lux Industries Limited. Now before I discuss about the company, I'll tell you very clearly that this is my very personal opinion, my personal research. You make your investment only if you understand everything. If you think this suits your investment profile and this is good for investment, take your own call based on your own understanding. Don't just listen to anyone and take any decision of buy any stock. First thing. Second thing is that watch the video till the end and every section of the video. In this video, I'll discuss in three sections as usual. First the business, then the fundamentals, and then the technical. So listen everything carefully. Try to understand everything till the end so that it helps you in the making the correct decision. Don't just skip the video to the end and see the target and just buy the stock, or you do decide not to buy the stock if the target is less. Don't do that. Watch the entire video completely. Understand everything completely. Jot down the points if you need to all the points, and then based on the everything you take your decision. Let's start discussing the first company, that's called Lux Industries Limited. We all know about the company, what this company does. We have seen this brand. This is quite a popular brand. This is not that Lux beauty soap, that is different. This is Lux Inners and Casual. That means they manufacture the inners, the vest, bras, and then undergarments and all those things basically. So they have three different segments. One is for male, female, and child. So if you see in the products, if you click on male, we'll see the product what they have for males. So basically they are into vest, gym vest, drawers and trunks and polos and tees. If we go further down the line for women, if you see they have lot many brands for women. So we'll just go back and click for women. I think as far as I know this image is not working. It will open the image. So this is something problem with the website. If you go for child segment, kids, basically they have two segments, vest and drawer and trunk. So basically innerwear. Similar thing is goes for women also. All the innerwears they will sell. Right, if you see this is a bigger brand. We have seen the past also. There are a lot of good big celebrity endorsing the brands. We have Sunny Deol first, then we had not first, we had Sunny Deol, we had Salman Khan, and now the new generation stars, Kartik Aaryan, Varun Dhawan, Taapsee Pannu, and Virat Kohli. We all know these popular faces. They are quite popular throughout the country, even globally, and these are the brand ambassador for this company. They have a lot of small brands under Lux, Lux Cozy, Own, Gen X, Lyra for women, Lux Inferno, Venus, Lux Sportsoul 1.8, Lux Cozy, Lux Venus Classic, Lux Cozy Gold, Lux Nitro, Lux Mousse, Lux Charisma, Lux Touch, Lux Cozy. So they have a simple business. They manufacture all the inner garments and casuals also, and they market all these their inner wears and winter wears under different brands for child, kids, women, and men. So it's a simple business but strong, fundamentally strong business. Let's jump to fundamentals. Inside fundamentals, they are a mid-cap based company, only 11,360 crore of market cap. The stock P is 34, is quite attractive considering the fundamentals and kind of business they are into. ROC is 36.4, ROE is 31.2, is very attractive. What the most attractive part for this company is the promoter holding. That's 74.4%, almost whatever they can have the maximum 75%, they have 74.4%. That's the maximum, close to the maximum they can have. The best thing. Second best is the debt. They have only 144 crore debt, but their net profit is 273 crores. That means they are a virtually debt-free company. So a virtually debt-free company with a good stock P and very good ROC and ROE, and then on top of that they have a good promoter holding. So that's all it says. That's a complete buy on based on fundamentals. See, profit and loss every year they have increased their sales from 334 crores to 2010, so they have reached up to 2116 trailing 12 months. So the last 11 years or 10 years they have multiplied the revenue by close to 7 times. So this is a good growth. And then same goes for net profit also. For 4 crores of net profit they reached up to 334 crores. So it's almost close to 80, more than 80 times of net profit increase in last 10 to 11 years. This is a tremendous growth. This is the company which is not much talked about in terms of the TV channels and the news channels or Money Control, Economic Times websites and all. People talk about companies like Happiest Minds and a lot of other companies, are Tata Power, Tata Motors, but nobody talks about this company which is fundamentally so strong. They are reaping benefits every year on year, increasing sales year on year, promoter holding at its best, ROC, ROE at its best. Everything is good about the company, but nobody talks. And this is a very strong fundamental company, and this is giving a very good return over a period of time. 38% 5-year CAGR, 144% 1-year CAGR. So if a company gives you 38% CAGR over a period of 5 years, that means you are getting a very, very good return. It's extraordinary return in terms of CAGR. Let's jump into your shareholding pattern. 74.39% promoters, 4% around with FIIs, 6.5 around DIIs. So public has only 14.94. If we expand that further, we'll see 4.84% with LIC. So if you reduce everything, only 10% is there with retail investor. So a company which is 90% holding with strong hands and only 10% retail investment, this says how good the company is, how much confidence the promoters and the strongholds have on this company. And this is true consider the fundamentals, how strong that they are doing, how profitable they are, everything. So a company is 90% strong health, this justifies the strength of the company. So everything is good, business is good, fundamentals is good, that means the company is good for long term also. But since we're discussing about short term opportunity, let's go to the charts and see what chart pattern it has right now. I already created it. So this is a very strong base for the company. So in one term, this is also price action. A small price action is not a very major price action, but it's a price action and it's a good base also. And from the base, if you see what a correction happened, if the company starts moving up, it will definitely touch its previous high. So from the current price to the previous high, the stock is the opportunity of 20.85%. And with such strong company, getting a 20.85% return would not take a lot of time. And it's a short opportunity because I told the fundamentals so strong. So this was my analysis on Lux Industries. I'll start discussing on second stock also. But if you're interested in Lux, please do analysis and research before making an investment. Second company what we're going to talk about today is IndiaMART. Basically IndiaMART InterMESH Limited in the term of stock market. So we all know IndiaMART. If you don't know, it's a B2B based company where businesses list out, where you can, if you're a business, you can discuss other business and buy product in bulk. So it's a B2B platform. It's India's right now the biggest B2B platform, and they have more than 60% market share. So it's a country like India, which is population of 1.3 billion. If you are owning a market of 60% market share, it's a huge market, and nobody is going to take you out of the market very soon. So they are going to stay, they are here to stay, and they have done it, they have proven it very multiple times that they are going to stay. Just Dial was a major threat, but Just Dial is nowhere now. Udaan is trying to do something, but Udaan compared to the penetration of IndiaMART, Udaan is nowhere. I'm not saying that Udaan cannot beat IndiaMART. They might beat, they might not beat, but as of now, what the situation is, IndiaMART is a true leader in terms of B2B listing or B2B marketplace in India. For people who don't know, I'll scroll a little bit and show what it does. In IndiaMART, they have a lot of products where they listed. They connect buyers and sellers. So if you are a seller, suppose you manufacture light bulbs, LED bulbs, for example, so you can list it here, your company, your product and everything, and you can list it out. And somebody like suppose XYZ, somebody want to buy LED bulb in some other part of the country, they can search, they can connect to you, they can ask for sample, or they can request what the quantity they want, and you can always reply to them. So basically it helps as a platform where some sellers list their product and some buyer come and do the inquiry, and they connect both of them. There are a lot of allied products as well, like they also have option to IndiaMART Pay, then some services like marketing services, what they give option, like paid services, what option they give to wholesalers listed on their platform. So this kind of opportunity what they give. So this company what they do in terms of their business model. So you can see a lot of product, pharmaceutical products, pharmaceutical drug, nutraceuticals, fitness supplements, medical treatment services, hygiene, personal care and cleaning supplies, hence companies that manufactures hand sanitizers, tissue papers, mops, hand soaps, all are listed over here. Garbage bags, cleaning liquids and wipes, diagnostic test kits, patient monitoring system, medical ventilators, thermometers, stethoscope, suction machine, cap closures, plastic bottles, packaging pouch, packaging machines. There are lots and lots of products. So if you are someone who are into any of these products, even food products like rice, wheat, fresh vegetables, pulses, everything can be listed over here. And if there is some seller who want to buy something in bulk, they can always come back and definitely find some more other seller for themselves. So this is a great platform. This is doing good. Personally, I have used it. I have got some good amount of sellers here, good quality sellers here, and I have also purchased some product in bulk for my businesses. And this is like I'm telling you upfront, I have used it and it works really good, and it helps me to connect to a lot of wholesalers. So IndiaMART does this. If you want to discuss more in detail about IndiaMART, what the history, how it started, what the company does, fundamentals, every other detailed, please let me in the comment section. I'll create a different video altogether. I created in the past also, I'll link it down. I'll create again if required, and we'll go into much deeper level detail. So let me know in the comment section if that will help you further to understand the business of IndiaMart. Let's jump into the fundamentals. Fundamentally, this company is very good. They have a promoter holding of 49.5%, little less than 50, but it's good because they need a lot of investment and they have diluted some amount of money or stock for that kind of investment. This is a mid-cap company, 21,908 crore company. Stock is little high, but still, since they're a monopoly, it's justified. ROC and ROE is quite good. They had debt of only 59.6%, where net profit is 280 crores. So they are virtually debt-free company. Let's jump into profit loss directly. We'll not waste a lot of time here. They are making money every year, and they are making more money every year. 176, 254, 318, 411, 507, 639, 670, 777. Every year they're making more money. Profit wise also, first year they're negative, 3 years, then 55, 20, 147, 280, and 306. They're making money every other year. It's a very, very good point. Let's go to shareholding pattern. 49 with the promoters, FI has 27%, DIS is 4%, public has only 17.16%, out of which let's see if they're stronghold. So they have around 3, 4, 5, around 6.5% with their public, sorry, with strong hands. That means around 10 to 11% max with the retail investors. That means both the company what we discussed. So both these companies are good for long-term investment. Both these companies are going to be in the market for a long period of time. But for this video, it's only about and good opportunity based purchase. Let's see the opportunity in IndiaMart. So IndiaMart is creating a very good strong support here. If you see long-term support from here, if you see this support has been there, it has never broken this support. Somewhere here is trying to lie. It was there, it went up, then came down still, and again it's lagging at the same point. So today or tomorrow it will start jumping from here, and there's a definite chance that it will hit its previous high. If you talk about previous high, the previous high is something here, and if you see from the kind of gain what we can get in this stock, this is somewhere, if you start from here and see the graph, it's somewhere close to 34-35% kind of. This is very, very good, and this is also kind of a sure opportunity if I see from my perspective. So two companies were discussed. Flux Industries with 20% sure shot gain, IndiaMart 35% sure shot gain. So if you want to invest in these companies, if you have even 6 months, 7 months, 1 year time frame also, this is a sure shot, very, very good, strong fundamentals company with good amount of purchase option right now, or purchase opportunity right now. So this was my thought, my idea, my personal selection. If you think it's helpful, if you think that this will add a lot of value for a stock purchase plan, don't forget to hit the video, share with your friends and family, give your comments and feedback in the comment section of the video. This helped me to improve my videos and bring better content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. See you later in the next video.